I just picked this breadfruit. As you can see, the stain is still dripping. And it's a roasting breadfruit, though it's a bit small. These breadfruits, that's the tree right there that I just picked it from. As you can see, the tree did not bear much this season. There's two up there in the top, way up in the top. Those are hard to pick. All right, I'm gonna eat this breadfruit. I'm gonna roast it and eat it with some curry chicken. All right. When next you come to Jamaica, you need to try roast breadfruit and curry chicken, or roast breadfruit and ackee and saltfish. All right, guys. Today I'm about to show you my chickens at 3 weeks old. Let's have a look. These are my 3 weeks old boiler chickens. Chickens at 3 weeks. Boiler chickens and common fowl chickens. How do they look? Alright, so most of them are resting, they are relaxing. You can see that they are happy chickens, they are well taken care of. They have sufficient water. Every corner of the coop, there's access to water and they have access to feed. I enjoy watching them drinking water and eating. They look happy and healthy. I just put up a bit of lime juice and garlic in their water a while ago. I'm trying to source some aloe vera as well. But what do you think of them? How do they look for 3 weeks? And what size do you think they'll be at 6 weeks? Alright. So they look healthy to me. They're eating and growing and moving and pecking and drinking. It's a wonderful sight. Over there, I don't know if you're seeing him. That brown chicken there is asleep. That's a common fowl chicken. Yeah, that's a brown common fowl chicken. And we have one over here. That's another common fowl chicken. He is 3 weeks as well, but he's not as big as they are. Alright. Notice how tame they are. They want to jump out of the coop. They're there planning to jump out of the coop. Look at them. They're very curious. Alright. He wants to jump out. Stay in. Stay in. Stay in. Alright. So there you have it, guys. 3 weeks old boiler chickens. This is how they look. Alright. So if you're enjoying my content, if you find my content satisfying, I'm asking you to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. And I want you to participate by leaving any questions you have in the comment section. Any questions you have, just leave it in the comment section and I'll answer your questions. Any comments you have, feel free to comment. Any suggestions you have, feel free to make your suggestions. Yeah. And remember to give me a thumbs up, guys. 3 weeks old boiler chickens. Very curious animals. So until my next upload, may the Lord continue to bless us and keep us. May the Lord make his face shine upon us. May the Lord lift up his countenance upon us and give us peace. Remember, guys, to keep dreaming, keep believing, keep working hard. God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you can ever dream or imagine.